fairly quick. Okay, gonna set her down in here. Oh, happy. And we hope that she's gonna get released here pretty quick. Okay. Now we're gonna do. Yep. Oh, let's put the other frame in. Put that spare frame in right there. You already sprayed them. Yep. Put her down. On top of her. Okay. Evenly space them. Kind of. Okay. And all nice and even. And we shouldn't. This is such a nice small queen cage. We should be just fine. We'll just pull it out later on. Okay. Just tip them over. Wind up. And we're going to put a pollen patty in there. Just give them a little bit of food supplement since we're still kind of iffy on our weather. Yep. And they're going to probably chase that queen right out of there. Okay. Then your top feeder. And then we're going to make these guys really happy with us. This is just 1-to-1 sugar water. And I'm not going to fill it because I'm not sure how many. I'm just going to give them a good layer in here. Okay. And we'll put our telescoping lid on. Oh.
Working on her.
Here. Yeah, inner cover and outer cover right there.
Oh, we gotta get them all out of there.
Actually, we do. They'll be able to escape out of that though.
Oh, yeah.
And then go ahead and telescoping. Actually, yeah, we've got a few strays in there, but not much we can do about it. And we got our, oops. We got our, there we go. We got our board set so that it's the smallest opening. And that's it. We'll come back in a few hours for that one. And we're going to do the second.